Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patel. Today's date is 2nd June 2022, and today's our topic name is SQL. SQL means Structured Query Language. The SQL is a database computer language designed for the retrieval and management of the data in a relational database. The SQL stands for Structured Query Language. This tutorial will give you a quick start to SQL. It covers most of the topics required for the basic understanding of SQL and get a feel of how it works. Then why learn in SQL? SQL is structured query language, which is a computer language for storing, manipulating, and retrieving data in our programming. It is creating, retrieving, and manipulating data stored in a relational database system. Then SQL is the standard language for relational database system. All the relational database management system like MySQL, MS Access, Oracle, um, SQL Server use SQL as their standard database language. They are using different facilities such as MS SQL Server using TSQL, Oracle using PLSQL, MS Access version of SQL is called JET etc. The applications of SQL as maintained before. SQL is one of the most widely used query language over the database and going its few points. SQL allows users to access data in the relational database management system. The SQL also allows user to describe the data in database system. Then SQL allows user to define the data in a database and manipulate the data. Then SQL allows to embed within other languages using SQL module libraries and pre-compilers. Then SQL allows user to create and drop database and tables. Then filtering data. First one is a distinct. The distinct shows you to remove duplicate from the result set. Then limit. The limit constraint of a number of rows are written by the query using the limit and offset clause. Then to skip rows in result set before starting to return any rows. Then where clause. The where clause is used to filter data based on specific condition then comparison operators. The comparison operators learn to use the comparison operators including greater than operator, greater than or equal to operator, less than operator, less than or equal operator, etc. The logical operators. The logical operators introduce the logical operator and how to use them to test for the truth of the condition. An operator combine multiple Boolean expression using the AND logical operator. Then OR operator. The OR operator shows you to use another logic operator or to combine multiple Boolean expression. Then between operator. The between operator guide you to use the between operator to select data within a range of values. Then in operator. The in operator shows you how to use the in operator to check whether a value is in the list of values. Then like operator. The like operator are used to query data based on the specific platform. Uh, then not operator. The not operator shows you how to neglect a Boolean expression by using the not operator. That's all about operators, and that's all about today's topic, SQL. I hope we can understand. Thank you.